eBay is another shopping app, and I will now demonstrate the eBay app. In 1995, some genius by the name of Pierre Omidyar, Omidyar, started eBay. Before too long, eBay will gain popularity, and it's the eBay app that I'm demonstrating today. I will be using the Allison voice from Vocalizer, and I am now on my home screen. I will navigate to the shopping folder where the eBay app is located.
Folder, messaging, for folder, shopping, for eBay, folder opened, 3x2.
The first thing I got here in my shopping folder is the eBay app. I'll tap on the eBay app and take you through eBay.
Welcome back, Swift Returns, eBay, main navigation, open, button, loading complete, showing items 1 to 4 of 19.
I just opened up the eBay app and it told me, welcome. Let me take some time now and show you around. We are in the main UI. On the top left corner, we have something called the main navigation, and think of that like the navigational drawer. To the right of that, we have the search, which upon tapping will pop up the keyboard to enable you searching for the keyword for what you're looking for. To the right of that, we have the voice search. And farther to the right of that on the corner, we have the image search. In other words, you could tap on that and either grab an image from your phone or take a picture of an image. Right above that image search is your cart. That cart goes along with you no matter what part of the screen you're on. Let's now go to the top left and find the one that I talked about, and that's the navigational drawer.
Main navigation, open, button. Menu, Swift Returns, profile menu collapsed.
Tapping on that, we got the following. We got the profile.
Checked, home.
And the home is checked.
Notifications, messages, my eBay, watching, saved, buy again, purchases, bids and offers, collection beta, selling, categories, deals, payments, show settings, showing items 1 to 19 of 19.
There's our settings. Let's go into settings real quick.
Loading complete, settings, navigate up, button, showing items 1 to 13 of 24.
In settings, we have the following, and I'm just going to go through them without paying particular attention to a single one of those, except where we need to.
Settings, account, help, shipping address, account info, sign in and security, notifications, eBay gift card back, sign out, general, heading, theme, system to country or region, United States, translation, clear search history, support, heading, customer service, share screen with us, about, heading, eBay money back guarantee, user agreement, privacy, do not sell my personal information and had choice, advertising and related preferences, legal, version 63503.
And that's the last item in there. There's an item, though, that I would like us to take a look at. I have kind of researched this before doing this demo, and that item that I want us to look at is that signing in and security. So I'm going to scroll back up and find and tap on that signing in and security.
Sign in and security. Sign in and security. Navigate up, button, out of list, showing items 1 to 5 of 5.
Tapping on signing and security, here are the items that we find.
Change password, in list.
We got change password.
Fingerprint, not checked, off, switch.
Remember, I have reset it, so none of this is in place.
Google account, not checked. Facebook account, not checked. Two-step verification.
Two-step verification, that's the last item. So you want to make sure that you take those measures to strongly protect your account. I will now go back to the main UI and show you around.
Loading. Loading complete. eBay. Main navigation. Open. Button. Out of list.
As I indicated earlier, we talked about finding that main navigation on the top left corner and the search, and followed by voice search and then the image search, and then the card right above that image search. Below that, we have some tabs, and I'll show you what those tabs are, starting from the left, just below the main navigation button. We've got the following.
Selling. Button. 1 of 4. In list. 4 items.
We've got selling to the right of that.
Deals. Button. 2 of 4.
Deals.
Categories. Button. 3 of 4.
Categories. And if you tap here, you'll see all kinds of categories.
Saved. Button. 4 of
Saved.
4.
These
Showing
are the
1 to
items
4 of 4.
that you have saved. When you tap on selling, that will take you to where you could sell your own stuff. And when you tap on categories, of course, it's going to take you to the various categories of things that you can go shopping for.
Categories. Button.
I'll
3
show
of
you a
4.
quick example.
Categories. Main navigation. Open. Button. Out of list. Showing items 1 to 8 of 35.
Tapping on that categories, you got things arranged in a row. You got 2 things in a row. So from the top, we have things like antiques and things like that.
Antiques. Row 1. Column 1. In grid.
And
18
to the
rows.
right of that,
Art. Column 2.
art.
Baby. Row 2. Column 1. Books and magazines. Column 2. Business and industrial. Row 3. Column 1. Cameras and photo. Column 2. Cell phones and accessories. Row 4. Column 1. Clothing, shoes and accessories. Column 2. Showing items
You got
1
the
to 8 of
drift. Now I'm
35.
going to scroll down all the way to the bottom and see the last item.
Showing items 29 to 35 of 30. Everything else. Row 18.
That's the last item in the categories. I'll now go back.
Loading. Loading complete.
Now let's assume that we're going shopping. We could search for something, or you could look at some of the things that you have recently viewed, and that shows up right here below those categories or below those 4 tabs that I showed you, that is selling, categories, saved, and so forth. Let's put my finger down and see what we got.
Google Pixel 3 3XL 3 3 XL 4G LTE Verizon unlocked mobile phone excellent. $74.88. 1 of 15. In list. 15 items.
Let's say we're interested in buying this Pixel 3 XL or whatever. We tap here.
Item. Shadows. No selection. Showing items 1 to 4 of 23.
Depending on what you're buying, sometimes sellers have different categories. In other words, they have whether you want it looking excellent or you want something that shows a lot of sign of use or things like that. So you choose exactly what you're looking for. And I show you what I'm talking about. So now that we've tapped on that, we have the following.
Item image 1 of 7. Button. In pager.
Move my finger down.
Google Pixel 3 3XL 3 3 XL 4G LTE Verizon unlocked mobile phone excellent. Out of pager.
Move my finger down.
Google Pixel $74.88 to $139.99 plus free shipping. Estimated delivery Monday, November 15th.
Below that, we have
Model. No selection. Drop down list.
model. Let's tap here.
Pop-up window. No selection. In list.
And we have the following.
Pixel 3. Range $82.88 to $139.99.
And it all depends on the condition of the device.
Pixel 3a XL. Out of stock. Disabled. Pixel 3 XL. Range $74.88 to $96.88.
That's the last selection. Let's say we're choosing that Pixel XL.
Model. Pixel 3 XL. Item. Model. Pixel 3 XL. Drop down list. Out of list.
Let's go to the next drop down.
Network. No selection. Pop-up window. No selection. In list.
Here are the networks.
Verizon unlocked. Range $74.88 to $96.88.
Or
No selection.
that's all that he has for this particular model is just for the Verizon. Let's tap here.
Network. Verizon unlocked. Item. Network.
Next,
Color. No selection. Drop-down list.
let's choose our color. We tap,
Pop-up window. No selection. In list.
and in colors, we have the following.
Black. Range $79.99 to $96.88. Showing items 1 to 4 of 4. White. $79.99. Not pink. $74.88. No selection.
And that's the last one that we have. So the not pink is your cheapest option here.
White. Not
So let's say we choose the not pink.
model. Pixel 3 XL. Item. Color. Not pink.
Next, we have the following category.
Storage capacity. No selection. Drop down. Pop-up window. No selection. In list.
In the storage, we have the following.
64 gigabytes. $74.88. No selection.
And that's all that he has. He doesn't have the 128, and so we'll tap on the 64.
64 gigabytes. Storage capacity. 64 GB. Item. Shadows. No selection. Drop down list.
Shadows, in other words, if it has any blemishes or any burned images and things like that. Let's tap here. And that tells you what the severities are.
Pop-up window. No selection. In list. Heavy shadow SBI. $74.88.
So that has a lot of shadows.
No selection.
That's all that the not pink one has. We don't have any other, like maybe light burns or things like that. So
No selection.
that's all that we have. So we just have to tap on.
Heavy shadow SBI. $74.88. Shadows.
Now the
Showing items
likelihood
1
is that if we had chosen a different color, we could have more selections. But in this case, when it comes to the not pink, that's all that we have. Now after the condition, we have,
Quantity. 1 available. Drop down list.
there's only one available in this not pink model. Below that we have,
Not checked. Checkbox for 1-year protection plan by Square Trade $14.99.
you could add a $15 protection plan from Square. And below that we have a long bar that goes from side to side, and that will be the buy now.
Buy it now button.
Buy it now. Now below that buy it now bar, on the left hand side we have add to cart. And then to the right hand side we have add to the watch list.
Add to card button.
And to the right of that.
Add to watch list button.
Now let's scroll down a little bit. And below that we
Showing
have suggested items, similar items that you could buy. Sometimes they are cheaper, so it's always nice to take a look at these ones. You may find better choices than what we have currently. But let's go ahead and take a look at the description, which is very important. So I will now scroll down and find and read the description.
Google Pixel 360. Item description from the seller. Excellent 9/10 physical condition. Verizon unlocked equals bootloader is locked. Custom firmware cannot be flashed onto the phone. The phone is carrier unlocked and will work all U.S. carriers. AT&T, T-Mobile, Verizon and their MVNOs, and international carriers. Comes with an aftermarket data cable and charger. Verizon unlocked equals bootloader is locked. Custom firmware cannot be flashed onto the phone. 40+ point inspection. Generic phone box. All our devices undergo a 40+ point inspection. All to make sure you receive a perfectly as described device. Out of list.
And that would be the description. You could tap here and look at the photos and all of that. But that's what the description is all about. So you get yourself familiarized with what the description is so you know exactly what it is that you're buying. I'm not going to tap on the buy because I don't want to buy that, but I could tap on add to cart and then show you how you go about removing something from your cart. I will now scroll back up, find the add to cart and tap on it, and then go remove it back out.
About this item. Show. Google
I'm
Pixel.
scrolling up.
Google Pixel. Add to watch list button. Out of list. Add to cart button.
Tap here to add to cart.
Adding item to cart. Added to cart. Go to cart button.
I will now navigate my way to the top right hand corner where we'll find more options, and to the left of that will be the cart.
Estimated delivery more options button.
And to the left of that,
Cart one item button.
I'm told I got one item. Let's tap here.
Shopping cart close button.
When we get into the cart, there's some more information. For instance, at the top we have information like
Love it, buy it, get rewarded, earn up to 5x points when you use your eBay math.
and below that would be the name of the seller or the company.
Seller device agent.
And then below that,
Google Pixel 3 3XL 3 3XL 4G LTE Verizon Unlocked Mobile Phone Excellent. Heavy Shadow SBI. Verizon Unlocked. Not pink. Pixel 3 XL. 64 gigabytes. Used. Last one. $74.88. Free shipping.
then we have
Quantity 1. Google Pixel 3.
quantity.
Save for later.
We could choose to save it for later.
Remove. Google Pixel 3 3XL 3 3XL 4G LTE Verizon.
Remove, or toward the bottom, there's a go to checkout.
Go to checkout button.
And tapping on that, you could check out using either your debit card, your credit card, or PayPal, or whatever type of payment that eBay takes. For this time though, I'm going to tap on remove.
Item 1. Remove. Google Pixel 3 3XL.
And I'll tap here to remove it.
Close button. Item removed from cart. Showing items 1 to 3 of 3. Love it. Buy it. You don't have any items in your cart. Let's get shopping.
And that's it. That's how you go about shopping on that yesterday's wine on the eBay app. And that's my review of the eBay app.